Start by measuring the width of your truck bed. Next, adjust the width of the rack according to your measurements. Then, position the rack on the bed rails of your truck and adjust to fit. Once in place, tighten the crossbars to the legs. The crossbar height is adjustable as well. Simply loosen the screws and place at your desired height. To adjust the ladder stops, loosen the knob and slide into place. Once you've gotten the correct fit, it's time to clamp the rack in place. Thread the bolts through the connector bracket and tighten the clamp to the bed rails. Once in place, the racks can be folded to avoid overhead obstacles.